Are you tired of spending too much on fuel and maintenance while driving for Uber? Are you looking for the perfect car that balances affordability, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we will reveal the best budget-friendly cars for Uber drivers that will maximize your earnings and minimize your expenses. Choosing the right car is not just about driving. It's about making smart financial decisions that can impact your entire rideshare career. The wrong car can drain your profits, while the right one can significantly boost your income. Stay with us until the end as we break down the best gasoline, hybrid, and electric cars for Uber, along with some essential tips to maximize your earnings. If you enjoy this type of content, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also, share your thoughts in the comments about what you think is the best car for Uber. Why choosing the right Uber car is important. A good Uber car can make a significant difference in your overall profits and driver experience. The right car will ensure lower fuel costs, reduced maintenance expenses, and a comfortable ride for passengers, leading to better ratings and higher tips. Key factors to consider when selecting an Uber car include fuel efficiency, maximizing earnings by reducing fuel consumption. Hybrid and electric vehicles are the best choices for this. Low maintenance costs, avoiding costly repairs that could reduce your profits. Passenger comfort, providing a smooth ride with enough space for passengers. Luggage space, ensuring there is enough trunk capacity for airport and long-distance rides. Durability, choosing a car that can last beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Best gasoline and hybrid cars for Uber. If you are looking for a traditional gasoline or hybrid vehicle, these models provide excellent fuel economy, reliability, and affordability. Toyota Corolla Hybrid, 5.0 liters per 100 kilometers or 50 miles per gallon. Extremely durable with low maintenance costs, provides a comfortable ride for passengers. High resale value. Honda Civic, gasoline and hybrid models, 6.0 liters per 100 kilometers or 40 miles per gallon. Affordable and widely available smooth driving experience. High resale value, spacious interior, ideal for long rides. Hyundai Elantra, hybrid and gasoline, 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers or 42 miles per gallon. Spacious and comfortable for long rides. Hybrid version provides excellent fuel savings, affordable spare parts and repair costs, modern technology and safety features. Toyota Prius Hybrid, 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers or 52 miles per gallon. Quiet, comfortable, and economical. High resale value, ideal for Uber Green or eco-friendly ride services. Kia Forte, gasoline and hybrid, 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers or 38 miles per gallon. Affordable and reliable, good fuel efficiency. Suitable for both city and highway driving. Nissan Sentra, 7.0 liters per 100 kilometers or 34 miles per gallon. Low cost and economical, comfortable interior for passengers. Good safety features. Reliable engine and transmission. Best electric cars for Uber. Electric vehicles. EVs are becoming increasingly popular for Uber drivers due to their low running costs and environmental benefits. Some of the best EVs for Uber include Tesla Model 3, Long Range or Standard Plus, suitable for Uber Black and Uber Comfort, 350 to 450 kilometer range. Fast charging with superchargers, luxurious interior and smooth ride, low maintenance costs. Hyundai Kona Electric, 400 kilometer range, more affordable than Tesla, smooth driving experience and spacious interior, good resale value, qualifies for electric car incentives in many countries. Nissan Leaf, 250 to 350 kilometers range, reliable with low maintenance costs, comfortable and spacious design, available at a reasonable price on the used car market. Chevrolet Bolt EV, 400 kilometer range, affordable used options, quiet and comfortable ride, low-cost charging compared to gasoline vehicles. Cars to avoid for Uber. While some cars may seem attractive, they may not be ideal for Uber due to high costs, inefficiency, or passenger limitations. Here are some car types to avoid. Luxury cars, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, etc. High maintenance costs and insurance rates. Sports cars or two-door coupes. Limited passenger space, Uncomfortable for longer trips. Old diesel cars, banned or restricted in many cities due to emissions regulations. Very small hatchbacks, Fiat 500, Mini Cooper, etc. Limited trunk and passenger space, reducing ride quality. High-performance cars, expensive parts and low fuel economy. Tips for maximizing your Uber earnings. Owning the right car is just one part of being a successful Uber driver. Here are additional tips to help you increase your earnings. Drive during peak hours. Higher demand means higher fares, especially during rush hours, weekends, and events. Keep your car clean and comfortable. Passengers are more likely to give good ratings if the car is clean and smells fresh. Use fuel rewards programs. Many gas stations offer discounts for frequent fuel purchases. Plan efficient routes. Avoid traffic and unnecessary detours to save fuel and time. Be polite and friendly. A good attitude can lead to better tips and higher ratings. Track expenses. Keeping records of fuel, maintenance, and other costs helps you manage profits better. If you want to become an Uber driver, these are some of the best car options that offer excellent reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability. Selecting the right vehicle is a crucial step toward maximizing your profits and enjoying a smooth driving experience. What do you think is the best Uber car? Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, let us know if there are any other car models you think should be included. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Follow our channel for more content about Uber, car reviews, and tips for drivers. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.